happy way. Red is shining bold and strong. Tony sings a color song. Paintbrush dancing in his hand, making art so grand, making art so bright and grand. Color fun for everyone, blue like ocean, deep and wide. Tony paints with happy pride. Cool blue color starts to glow. Learning colors helps us grow. Painting fun throughout the day. Yellow shines just like the sun. Color learning is such fun. Tony smiles and paints away. Brightest colors fill the day. Happy art room everywhere. Blue and yellow mix so neat, making green so fresh and sweet. Tony laughs in great surprise, magic color before his eyes. Learning art is super fun, learning art is super fun. Red and blue make purple bright, shining with magical lights. Tony claps and jumps around, pretty clowns. Rainbow fun inside the room, in storm and sweet. Color wheel is now complete. Tony paints with joyful cheer. Rainbow beauty now is here. Round and round the wheel will spin. Brightest colors always win. Tony watches happily. Rainbow shining beautifully. Magic colors everywhere. Paint splash on floor and wall. Tony's having fun with all. Learning colors one by one. Creative time is so much fun. Art room glowing bright today.